Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun solar light DIY for you today. You can take any of these really fun, like summer water bottles from the Dollar Tree and make them into a solar light easily. I'm taking this fun summer print. It's got flamingos and summer things all over it, and just filling it with some of the crushed glass from Dollar Tree in the pink shade. I thought that would go fun with the pink flamingos. And then we're just going to take the top off of one of the solar lights and make a lid for the bottle out of it. So the first thing I want to do is kind of clean up some of the dust in there. I do that with a dry paintbrush just because I found that the crushed glass was a little dusty. And then I'm going to try to make the opening to the water bottle a little bit larger just by using some twine. I started with some hot glue and wrapped that around. That's going to give me a wider surface to glue the solar light onto because the top of the solar lights there from the Dollar Tree are a little bit larger. I'm also burning off any of the fuzzies there. I am actually going to wrap that again to make it brighter and more fun for summer. So I just use hot glue to attach that to the top of the bottle, and then to make it brighter, Dollar Tree has the macrame quartz in different colors now. So I grabbed some of the hot pink and I'm going to wrap it again. It's going to make the transition in size from the water bottle to the solar light make a little bit more sense by wrapping it, making it a little bit more even and balanced. This would be fun for a summer party or just to sit out on your patio for summer. It lights up really pretty. Let me show you how it looks lit up. And I thought it was really fun to put together. If you'd like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach or visit my website at craftybeach.net. Happy crafting!